Hey everyone, today we will delve into the world of digital marketing entrepreneurship, exploring the exciting prospect of establishing your very own agency. If you have ever harbored aspirations of navigating the dynamic landscape of this industry, this journey is tailor-made for you. This channel is your dedicated companion on this exhilarating adventure. Whether you are a seasoned marketer looking to venture into entrepreneurship or someone completely new to the world of digital marketing, this series is designed to equip you with the knowledge and insights needed for success. Throughout our upcoming episodes, we will dive deep into the various aspects of agency establishment, from crafting effective marketing strategies and forming strategic partnerships to understanding the financial dynamics that drive agency prosperity. If you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, ensuring you join our community of digital marketing enthusiasts. Subscribing will keep you in the loop for a plethora of digital marketing insights and insider tips that can elevate your agency game. Now, without further ado, let us immerse ourselves in the world of digital marketing agency success. Get ready for a journey filled with actionable advice, real-world examples, and the strategic know-how needed to turn your agency dreams into a thriving reality. Stay tuned for an adventure that will empower you to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that await in the dynamic realm of digital marketing. Segment number 1: The pitfall to avoid. Launching a digital marketing agency is a thrilling endeavor, but there is a critical decision that can significantly impact your journey: choosing your specialization. The common pitfall many new agencies fall into is attempting to be a master of all trades right from the start. Allow me to share an experience from 2018 when a person too thought that he could have a full service agency. The result: mediocrity across the board. Let us delve into this mistake and extract valuable lessons. When his team started their agency, they were brimming with enthusiasm and the desire to cater to every aspect of digital marketing. They believed that offering a comprehensive suite of services would attract a broader client base and increase our chances of success. However, the reality was quite different. Instead of excelling in specific areas, they found themselves stretched thin, delivering mediocre results across various services. This pitfall is one that many new agencies encounter. Fueled by the eagerness to please every potential client, the lesson they learned the hard way was that being a jack of all trades doesn't necessarily translate to being master of any. Clients, especially in the competitive digital landscape, are increasingly seeking specialists with deep expertise in their particular niche. So, the key takeaway here is to resist the temptation to be a one-stop shop for all digital marketing needs. Instead, focus on identifying a niche or specific service where you can excel. In the upcoming episodes, we will explore strategies for choosing the right specialization for your agency, ensuring that you not only avoid this common pitfall but also set the foundation for long-term success. Stay tuned for actionable insights that will guide you in navigating this crucial decision on your path to building a successful digital marketing agency. Segment number 2: Finding your focus. Key marketing areas. Now, let us get down to the nitty-gritty. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to discover your niche and strategically position your agency for long-term success. Step number 1: Self-reflection. Welcome to the first step in discovering your niche: self-reflection. This is the cornerstone of the process, where you will dive deep into assessing your interests, passions, and skills. Begin by considering what genuinely excites you. What aspects of digital marketing spark your enthusiasm and curiosity? Reflect on your journey so far, identifying the projects or tasks that have brought you the most satisfaction. Your passion will not only fuel your dedication but will also translate into exceptional service for your clients. Next, assess your unique talents. What skills do you and your team possess that set you apart? Whether it is a flair for creative content, data analytics, or strategic planning, understanding your strengths will guide you toward a niche where you can truly excel. During this process, it is crucial to be honest with yourself. While certain areas of digital marketing might be trendy or lucrative, if they don't align with your interests and skills, the journey will be more challenging. Your agency's success is not just about meeting market demands, but also finding joy and fulfillment in the work you do. So, grab a notebook, set aside some dedicated time, and embark on the journey of self reflection. It is a pivotal step in laying the foundation for a niche that not only resonates with your target, but also resonates with your own passion and expertise. Stay tuned as we continue this exploration, delving into the subsequent steps that will guide you towards strategically positioning your digital marketing agency for long term success. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to navigate digital marketing mastering social media, paid ads, SEO, email, and web development. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.